mother, father, sister, brother, aunt, uncle, wife, husband, niece, nephew, daughter, son, grandmother, grandfather, granddaughter, grandson, girlfriend, boyfriend, stepsister, stepbrother, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, daughter-in-law, son-in-law, girl, boy, woman, man, godmother, godfather, stepmother, stepfather, grandma, grandpa, she, he, her, him, her, his, maidservant, manservant, lady, lord, madam, sir, queen, king, princess, prince, countess, count, duchess, duke, baroness, baron, countess, earl, lass, lad, headmistress, headmaster, nun, monk, bride, bridegroom, spinster, bachelor, empress, emperor, lady, gentleman, mistress, master, landlady, landlord, goddess, god, poetess, poet, stewardess, steward, tigress, tiger, ewe, ram, goose, gander, peahen, peacock, lioness, lion, mare, stallion, cow, ox, hind, stag, duck, drake, cow, bull, bee, drone, hen, rooster, doe, buck, hen, cock, sow, boar, vixen, fox, doe, hart, leopardess, leopard.